Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer seeds from the Fall Harvest World to the Garden Valley and Grow a Garden 2 game of Roblox Fall Harvest Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to transfer items from the Fall Harvest World, you need this magic mail. There are three types of the magic mail. The first one is the rare magic mail. The second one is the legendary magic mail. And the last one is the super magic mail. And you can get the magic mail from the gear shop. So just go to the gear shop and you'll be able to purchase them. Alright, these are the magic mails that you can purchase. And then you're going to use it to transfer seeds from your Fall Harvest World to the Garden Valley. Go back to the gear to use the magic mail. Tap on anywhere and select the seeds that you want to send to the Garden Valley. And once you send it, you're going to travel to the Garden Valley and you're going to open up your mailbox to claim the seed. Okay guys, and that's how we can transfer seeds from the Fall Harvest World to the Garden Valley and Grow a Garden 2 game of Roblox Fall Harvest Update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!